Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we are going to be covering how to publish islands within Creative 2.0 or UEFN. The first thing you want to do, if you want to publish it to, obviously for anyone to play, you're going to want to go to this website. I will have the website linked in the description, and you want to see if you're eligible. So you can do that by clicking eligibility requirements, and obviously it will then tell you if you can apply or not. There are obviously some requirements you need, like I think being 18 is the main one. If you scroll down, you can also see who is eligible right here, and it tells you who is eligible. You have to be at least 18, and you have to have played, I think it's Creative or Fortnite within the last 90 days. Now let's just say you want to actually publish the island for you and your friends to play. I think anyone can do this, even if you are under 18. I could be wrong though. So what you want to do is you want to go up to the project button at the very top here. And you want to click on that, and as you can see, there is a button that says right down here, publish project. And basically what it does, it creates a private version of your island. We'll go to how to make that public in a second. So you want to click this, and as you can see, you can then enter a description. You don't actually have to put anything in here. This can be left empty if you obviously want to. Let's now continue. And as you can see, it's now publishing it. So we have to just wait for this to be done. Now, once that is finished, as you can see right here, we have now been given an island code, which you can obviously copy. And I also have the option to show in Creator Portal. So now we're going to click done, make sure that is ticked, so it actually opens up the Creator Portal. That is now technically a private version created, but there is one more thing you have to actually do. As you can see, we are now on the Creator Portal. And if I scroll down, this is the actual one that I have just uploaded a version for. As you can see, this one is public. If I now go to private versions, you can actually see that this one right here is the one I've just done. This code right here, if you actually give that to someone, they will be able to join this, but your actual map won't be able to be discover or be able to be played by the public. So how you do that, first of all, you'll have this error right here. As you can see, it says that action is needed. You need to run a memory data. And how you actually do that, you need to head back into UEFN. As you can see, we are now back in. And you need to go up here to project. You need to click the launch memory calculation. Now, you must have a actual Fortnite open in the actual build. If you haven't, you obviously need to launch session, but I have just launched one. So as you can see, it's now lit up. So Fortnite is now completely loaded. Let's now go to project and launch this. And as you can see, nothing actually happens within UEFN. But if we quickly just jump to Fortnite, as you can see at the very top there, it says memory calculation at 0%. That will slowly go up, and it will slowly teleport your actual character around the island while it obviously builds the island and builds the memory. And this is basically just making sure you haven't built over the 100,000 limit. As you can see, it is now almost done. It's at 88%, so let it quickly just finish. Once it does finish, as you can see, you will get a calculation result. If it fails, if you are over the 100,000, you'll then have to delete items or props and redo it. If you are under, which as you can see we are by 3,000, then you can continue. Now, if we quickly just refresh this page, you'll see that this will then update to have a tick there because we have obviously completed everything we needed to do. As you can see, there is now a tick, and we can now click publish. As you can see now, once we've done that, we can obviously enter the title, the description, the tags, the image, and also the trailer, and then also some instructions. And then we can submit for publishing. Once you have actually submitted it for publishing, it will appear in your public releases with a actual orange sign right here saying basically pending. And then you need to wait for Epic to either approve it or decline it. If they decline it, you obviously then need to fix the errors that they have said is wrong with the map. And then as you can see, we have an inactive version right here and an active version. This is version 1, which I have now since updated and released a second version. You can actually change versions by clicking these dots, and as you can see, make active version and make active version. Obviously, if you want to downgrade, so maybe you found a game-breaking bug, you can then click on the last version you had published and remake that the active version. If I was to obviously release a new one, it would appear at the top here. Once it was confirmed by Epic, I could then make that newer version the public version. And that is basically how you publish maps. Now, obviously, the whole creator portal is for if you want to make it public. You need to be eligible to do that. But if you literally just publish it, that island code you get when you have finished publishing, that is a private island, which I'm pretty sure anyone can do that. and you can give that island code to your friends to jump on the game with you and play. But obviously it would be private, so only people with that code would be able to join. That's it for this video. If you did enjoy, leave a like and subscribe, and I guess I'll see you guys in another tutorial very soon. Bye.